Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how you can digitize your gym. Remember, digitizing your gym is very important if you want to grow your business, if you want to expand to multiple branches of your gym. Digitizing is really helpful. Not only that, but you want to make sure that the gym members that comes to you are satisfied with your services and facilities. Digitizing is the best way to achieve that because you can manage their fitness records and their output and their improvement in whatever the fitness goal they have. You can keep track of it. You can also keep track of the trainer's performance as well. And you want to run your business professionally and profitably, digitizing is a must. So let's just check it out.
Hey there, gym owners. Are you ready to revolutionize your fitness business? Today, I'm going to show you how to digitize your gym with 10 powerful tools. Let's dive in and explore each step in detail. First, create your own website using WordPress. This is your digital storefront. It's where members can find info about your services, class schedules, and even sign up online. Make it user-friendly and informative. Next, set up your social media profiles. This is where you can really engage with your community. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, they're your tools for engaging with your community. Use them to showcase your gym's personality. Next, Google Business Listing. This is crucial for local visibility. This ensures your gym shows up on Google Maps and in local searches. Make sure your information is accurate and up to date. Now, let's talk about Gym ERP. This is your all-in-one gym management software. It handles member management, billing, scheduling, and more. It's like having a personal assistant for your gym operations. Next, create a mobile application for your members. This is a must in today's digital age. Through the app, members can book classes, check schedules, and even manage their subscriptions. Next, invest in trainer and member attendance management software. This will streamline your operations. No more paper logs or spreadsheets. This software makes it easy to track attendance and ensure everyone is on the right track. Next, offer online trainer class schedules with booking software. This adds another layer of convenience for your members. Members can see when their favorite classes are available and book their spots instantly. No more waiting in line or making phone calls. Next, online accounting software is another must-have. This will help you keep your finances in check. Keep track of all your finances in one place, manage invoices, track expenses, and generate reports with ease. Next, a CRM system is crucial for managing relationships with your members. This helps you keep track of member interactions. It helps you keep track of member interactions, follow up on leads, and maintain strong relationships. Happy members often lead to referrals. Finally, set up automatic monthly subscriptions with online payment. This ensures a steady cash flow and reduces administrative work. Members appreciate the convenience of automatic payments. Digitizing your gym isn't just about keeping up with the times, it's about providing a better experience for your members and making your life easier. Embrace the change. Start implementing these tools today and watch your gym transform. Thanks for watching. Your gym's future is bright. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on running a successful gym.